What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, yes, I am in the same stuff, well, outfit that you've seen in the previous video. You want to know why? Because it's the same it's the same day. But right now I'm headed to Fred's house because I am going to do a brake upgrade on the RSX, and I got a package in from MPC that no one ever had, like no one have it. I'm the only RSX with this package, and I'll show you guys right after the intro. If I didn't create an intro by time, then you're obviously hearing this, but I hope I had an intro by time. But yo, check out my tees. Y'all see him? Oh yeah, you see him. You see him. You see him. All right, let's get out of here. Let's go on a trip in my favorite rocket ship. Going to I wonder what that could be, boy. We're gonna find out. So my package from Hawk Performance came in. I got all my brake fluids, and I got new brake pads for the RSX, because whenever I stop on this thing, let me see if you can hear it. Okay, nah, it's not warmed up yet. It squeaks really badly, and my brake pedal, like my brake pressure feels kind of ugh. I probably just need stainless steel brake lines, but you know, just even having better pads increases the car's like braking. So, well, obviously it's better pads. So I'm going to swap up the pads and then install my new MPC thing. So, yeah, buddy. Let's get there safe and sound. Put on my seatbelt so I can act like I care about my life. So let me get on my seatbelt. It's been a while without your face. This song is a slap. We miss you, Max. We miss you, dog. I feel like crying. Shit. What's up, bro? What are you doing? Copyright. No, I'm talking over.
Nah, nigga, they caught that.
I don't care what y'all say, man. I do a little bit. But that 02 to 04 front end, way better than 05 was. Super facts. Alright, so I've never replaced a brake pad on an RSX.
Same thing, bro.
It's literally the same thing. But in case my viewers don't know, Fred, see, when you're a YouTuber, you got
every car is the same brake pad.
But you know, when you're a YouTuber, Fred, you gotta give your audience insight, as in like, you gotta like, I've never done this before, and if you never done it before, we could do it together.
Fire.
Fire.
That's why I do things with man.
Fucking fish. Lava. Alright, but it's easy though. So you got bolt here. I think it's a 14 or 12. I'm sure it's 14. One there, one at the bottom. I think you just keep the bottom in, just loosen it, loosen the top one all the way. Slide the caliper actually back, remove the pads, insert new pads. Pretty simple. Yeah, but you know we gotta do this together, bro. I don't care what Fred say.
So like a job. You man take off the pad, put on the new pad. So like a fucking job. You have your period. You got your period? You have to try to change pad. Lava. One say I want to change pad. Just like you want to get fog light. Man, you man that drive your fog light, man, you that smoke light. Fuck don't know, man. When I try to find fog at night, oh. Nah, cause I'm calling me down to your thing, you know.
Alright, so I already opened the package because that's just what I do. But here I have my brand new brake pads for the front and the rear. I'm just gonna do the fronts today, and then when I get rear calipers, I'll do the rear, because I don't feel like tackling the rear right now.
You better not.
And I got my HB 520 brake fluid that's gonna be ran in the RSX and the Integrity. And yo, like I said, y'all discount code. I did that. Use code ZOSH20 or ZOSH15. Damn.
Leave it in the description.
Yeah. Description down. Oh, I love that. I gotta edit this video anyway, so code is on the screen for I think 15% off of Hawk Performance stuff. So link down below to the website along with discount code information. There you go. Now let's get these pads on the RSX. Brakes are done. Now to the fun part of the video. The reason probably why y'all are here. Please tell me I brought it. All right, bet I brought it. All right, so I got this package from MPC today. This right here is the first ever. Let me just show you. Let me just open this thing up and show y'all. Just show y'all. All right. I'll probably do this on the ground. It'd be much easier. You know what I mean? All right, so this right here is a prototype. Not even out. I'm the first RSX to have it from MPC. I feel hella blessed to have it. But here we have MPC's first ever brace bar or subframe brace for the RSX. Oh my God, bro. I got all the hardware here I needed, but I think I ain't gotta do most of this stuff for tie bar. I just gotta bolt it down. Well, this is it. How that thumbnail looking, dog? Oh, right there. How the thumbnail looking? Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. This is all the hardware needed to install the brace bar. Fred over here putting some white diamond on that John. Bruh, look at that. Look at that ice. Quavo. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. Getting that thing all polished up. I'm not sure how to install it on RSX since this is a prototype. It didn't come with instructions. But it should be good enough. I think we just gotta take off the wheels. I think it bolts to the one of the factory. Actually, hold on. Let's just take a look underneath the RSX and see what's up. I'm assuming that the sway bar bolts and the bolt right there. I guess the lower control arm bolt right there. That's where it bolts up to. So it shouldn't be hard at all. I don't think I have to actually remove the wheel. So jack the car up, put down jack stands. I'm not underneath the car because you know I ain't trying to be safe out here, bro. Jack it up, put jack stands, and then we'll just install it from there. It should be easy though. Shouldn't be hard. All I'll do is 2 sway bar. Yeah, it should be cake. Should be easier than installing it on the DC2.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Fucking my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah. Heard them lanes was talking now, and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch and know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on it, had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, ayy, shows. I'm smoking that dope from Edmond. We the new meth in Redmond. We ain't real blood, but we brethrens. Run up a check and it's pending. She talking my news, we'll send them. Fuck with the fam, you a dead man. Jesus, peace on my.
So me and Fred just completed the brace bar install. So much easier, bro. And they got all hardware needed. Like, it's so easy to do it. Way easier than the EG-DC for sure. But look at that polish. Like, I'm trying my best to show you guys it, bro. Oof. I tried to do a cinematic, but that didn't really work out too much. I should have polished my control arms because look how nice that. Look at the shine on that thing. That thing is nice. And I am the first RSX to have this. So sick. So sick. Shout out to the homie Spencer over at MPC for always looking out for your boy. Nah, me. And like always, if you guys ever need anything from MPC, I have a discount code. It is code Zosh, and you get 10% off your complete order. Be sure to use it. It makes me look cool, and companies like to work with people who actually have an audience that uses their discount code. I'm surprised my camera still works. I just ran it over. I left it underneath the car, I moved the car, and I ran it over. So, if it still works, good. I messed it up though, but oh well, it's all good. Fred, my boy.
Alright, I'ma fuck with you.
Alright, bro. Brakes stop. Excellent. You guys are actually in my mouth right now. Pause. But I'm biting down on the GoPro head mount thing because it got held up. Yep. Has a better angle. Brakes are good, boy. Yep, I did it again. I am editing a video that I did not close out. I shot this video yesterday and I just forgot to close it out. So today, as of the 10:40 p.m., thank you guys for watching this video. Quick outro. Huge thank you to Spencer over at NPC for always looking out for your boy. I am the first RSX to run this subframe brace from NPC. So if you leave your dislikes and all that hate stuff, I don't care. You gave me views, which means I get to get my paper. Tomorrow is Monday. Tomorrow is a special day. Tomorrow is the day I get lug nuts for the wheels and somebody's birthday. So happy birthday. Doubt you're watching this, but happy birthday. But what that means is for the lug nut portion of tomorrow, I'll be able to, oh, it's not my birthday. I'll be able to put the Integra down on all fours, dial in suspension, what do I gotta do, and finally reveal the wheels to you guys. Well, not reveal, but like reveal the car with the wheels on, blah 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 blah. If you guys need anything from NPC or Hawk Performance, discount codes down below to both. Huge thank you to both of them for sponsoring this video. Man, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on the video, comment if you love me, and subscribe if you really love me, and buy some merch if you want me to succeed. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.